Welcome to Diamond Solutions for Mathematics. Now we are discussing differentiation. Among the differentiation, a differential with respect to another differential. That is, show that the derivative of tan inverse 1 minus x squared whole root minus 1 by x with respect to x is independent of x. A function with respect to another function. That is the branch of differentiation topic. Let u equals tan inverse 1 minus x squared whole root minus 1 by x. That is u. And v equals tan inverse x. We have to find out dy by dx. Therefore, let x equals tan theta. Let x equals tan theta. Therefore, this u function comes as u equals tan inverse root of 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus x squared comes as 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 by, instead of x, tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta equals sec square theta. Root c square theta is sec theta. Therefore, tan inverse sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Here we have to consider sec theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus 1, taking cos theta as common denominator, 1 minus cos theta whole by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta, cos theta, denominators are cancelled. Therefore, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta here remains. Therefore, tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here, once more I am repeating, sec theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1. Cos theta as common denominator, 1 minus cos theta whole by cos theta by, instead of tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Denominator is common, cos theta cut. Therefore, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. That cos theta is cancelled. Therefore, tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta equals 2 sin square theta. Therefore, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. That is here. And sin 2 theta equals 2 sin theta cos theta. Here, sin theta equals 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Therefore, tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I hope everyone are following me. 1 minus cos theta converted to 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta is converted to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. Sin theta and the square cancels. Therefore, here becomes tan inverse sin theta by cos theta. That is tan inverse tan theta by 2. Tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, tan theta by 2 equals sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2. Tan inverse and tan cancels. Therefore, here remains only theta by 2. That is 1 by 2 theta u equals. Therefore, 1 by 2 tan inverse x. U equals 1 by 2 tan inverse x. When x, u is simplified, and the simplest form of u function is 1 by 2 tan inverse x. d by dx of u equals du by dx equals 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x squared. Next I am taking this v. v equals tan inverse x. Therefore, differential of v is dv by dx equals 1 by 1 plus x squared. Simply you get. Therefore, du by dv, that will be what? u function here, v function here. Therefore, differential is du by dv. Therefore, du by dv equals du by dx into dx by dv. Dx and dx cancels, therefore we will get du by dv. Du by dx is 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x squared. That is here. 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x squared. Next, dx by dv. dv by dx, where is it? dv by dx. dv by dx is 1 by 1 plus x squared. Therefore, dx by dv is reciprocal of this one. That is, du by dx is 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x squared into reciprocal of this one is 1 plus x squared by 1. 1 plus x squared and 1 plus x squared cancels. Here remains 1 by 1. That is simply 1. Equal, there remains 1 by 2. Therefore, du by dv equals 1 by 2, which is independent of x. There is no x term here. There is, which is independent of x. Hence, we show the derivative is independent of x. Don't forget to subscribe Diamond Solutions for Mathematics from 9th to 12th standard.